Hello everybody, welcome to Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. So over here we are going to do a good question on the basis of concept of zeros of polynomials. So let's start with it. So suppose it is given that Px is this polynomial and P of A is equal to P of B is equal to P of C is equal to 0. Then we have to find the value of this thing. This type of question has been asked many a times in various competitive examinations at grade 10 level. So you see over here, it is given that P of A is equal to P of B is equal to P of C is equal to 0. So what does it mean? Can we say that A, B and C, these are the zeros of this polynomial? That is the meaning of 0, that if you put x is equal to A in the polynomial, x is equal to B in the polynomial and x is equal to C in the polynomial, you're getting the value of the polynomial to be 0. So it means that x is equal to A, B and C are the zeros of this polynomial. So can we not say that the polynomial can be written like this: x minus A, x minus B, x minus C? Because you see, then only you can say that A, B and C will be the zeros of this polynomial. Now over here, you can also see that the coefficient of x cube is 1. So the coefficient over here will also be 1. You don't have to bother about it. It means exactly the same polynomial P of x is this. It means this is also P of x only, right? And over here, it is given that you have to find the value of 1 minus A, 1 minus B, 1 minus C. So, instead of putting over here, just see that if I put x is equal to 1 over here, I'll get 1 minus A, 1 minus B and 1 minus C or not. So, what does it mean? It means that if I'm putting x is equal to 1 in the polynomial, we are getting this thing of which the value is required. It means the value of this thing is equal to P of 1. How will you find P of 1? We already have got the polynomial, so I can put x is equal to 1 over there and that will be the answer. So let's put x is equal to 1. So that is 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square plus 7 into 1 plus 10. So if you simplify this thing, it is 1 minus 2 plus 7 plus 10. And that is going to be basically 17 plus 1, 18 minus 2, 16 if you check it. So you can say that the value of 1 minus A, 1 minus B, 1 minus C is equal to 16. That's a simple question, but many a times it has been asked in previous year in NTAC, in other Olympiads as well. So that's all we needed to do in this video on this question. I am Misbah, your maths educator. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Infinity Learn Class 9 and 10 YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.